love to be share our knowledge each and every person. As it names Mahavatar Babaji Foundation, we love to be act as a Kriya Yoga masters. And as it is, I am a basically BHMS homeopathy doctor, diploma yoga, PG diploma psychology. I have been till date. I am learning my education. I am continuing my education. I am a good learner and hearer. I am also a motivational speaker, life coach. I am doing drugless therapies. Drugless means not just inner engineering corrections. Whatever we have, మన శరీరంలో ప్రతి ఒక్క అవయవంలోనూ ఒక అద్భుతమైన శక్తి ఉంది. In our body, each and every cell is a quite potential enough to have a good knowledge to maintain our health. Our inner baby, మనలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక చిన్న బిడ్డ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. మనలో ఆ బిడ్డ ఎప్పుడు కూడా వెరీ మచ్ ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్, ఎనర్జెటిక్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రెసివ్ హ్యాపీనెస్ విత్ ఆల్ ఫీల్ హ్యాపಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತ ಆ ಮಗು ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು, ನೀವು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿರಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಯ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅನುಮಾನ, we have our own fears and doubts. మనలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ భయము, ఆటంకాలే మనల్ని చాలా ఇబ్బందులు చేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. అవి లేకపోతే మనకి ఏదే విధమైన జబ్బులు లేవు. We don't have any kind of diseases without our fear and doubt and might be may went wrong. All these things making us too unhappy, and we are accumulating out of our fear diseases. That is the thing where we are not in a position to make our comfortable zone. We are moving away from our comfortable zone to somewhere else rather than. It is a greatest occasion, Mahasivaratri. Today is Mahasivaratri. On the day of Mahasivaratri, we are performing means he is the creator. So you can create your own health, wealth and prosperity. How? Each and every cell can attract. There are so many people are telling that they can give you all kind of law of attraction, law of manifestation, all these things. But in real, what we can do is, without our body's cells, we may not do anything. We know that we can attract abundance from universe, but out of our fear, favoritism and doubtful condition, especially in our Ashtanga Yoga, Pratyahara is there. What is Pratyahara? Withdrawing from the outer world attachments, but not love and affection. We need to love our nature, Prakriti. Prakriti ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನುಸಂಧಾನ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಭಯ. మనకు ఏదైనా కానీ అనుమానం మన దగ్గరికి వస్తాండది అని చెప్తే మనకి ఏమవుతాండది, ముందుగానే ఆ అనుమానం అనే దాన్ని మనకు పెనుభూతం, అనుమానం పెనుభూతం. There is a devil in your body always making you to run away from normalcy. Why? What is the thing which are making any kind of diseases to diseaseless? I always teach. I'm a good teacher. I'm not that much preacher. There is a difference between teacher and teacher. Each person should learn and earn on their own with love and affection. Is the teaching. Preaching is something which I know I am telling like oral diarrhea, but I'm not such a kind of person. I love all persons. As a human being with on humanitarian grounds, we need to have a kind enough mind setup, heartfulness and words. When we are in a position to deliver our speech with more consciousness, more encouragement, it gives us more love and affection for all. This is the teachings of our Mahavatar Babaji. Always we are telling that we are following our Mahavatar Babaji and Dr. Rangnath ji. Whenever we want to follow someone, we need to know the qualities of that particular person or personality. What is the personalities? There is a Vyaktitva. వ్యక్తిత్వం అంటే ఒక వ్యక్తిలో ఉన్నటువంటి తత్వం, అది ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೊಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? we need to have an interactive lovely session with each other. Then only we come to know what he is, how he is, what are the personal qualities of him makes him to drive all these days towards the betterment of the society. Without those things, we may say something, but not at all qualitative one. Wherever there is a qualitative personality in or associating with your society, that is the thing which makes us to accommodate or accumulate our love and affection. When I am teaching for a IT company people, I have an incident. There are only boys. I said, I love you all. Are you gay? Somebody, yes. If you are gay, I am gay. If you are a normal personality, I don't have any hesitation to speak with you. As it is, your mind is gay's mind. So you have that thought. That is your not intentional, your body's accommodation. So please don't, I'm not your club person, but as my lovely person, I acted as a gay, but you are telling that you are gay, so I don't have any objection, but please don't give me any club membership of this society. I don't have that much intention in my body. Like that, we can make them to push, but not by the sarcastic things. Accommodate whoever, whatever it is there in our mind. But finally, what we need is our personality. So, whatever in your mind, don't push on others. Be happy. That is your intentions. It almost we are getting at 60,000 thoughts per day. If you are not coming down, you are getting diseases. If you are coming down with your from your thoughts, with your thoughts, be happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, below 9 thoughts per day. If you accommodate, if you make yourself happy with your thoughts, you are lovely persons with your engagements, with your worldly things. But many hands spoil the cook. ఎక్కువ చేతులైతే వంట పాడైపోతుంది. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೈಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಆತೃತೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಊಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಡಿಸ್ನಾನ, ಮಡಿ ಊಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾಗ ಒದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಒದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನಿ ಅನ್ನೋದಲ್ಲ. ತಿನ್ನೋರು ಒದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ಒದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪೂರ್ವಿಕರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧ ಆತ್ಮದಿಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ఒద్దే బట్టే ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? మనకు కావాల్సిందేమి? బట్టలు కాదు, మనకు వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చేటువంటి ప్రీతి, ప్రేమ. అన్నపూర్ణే సదాపూర్ణే శంకర ప్రాణవల్లవే జ్ఞాన వైరాగ్య సిద్ధిత్తం భిక్షాం దేహి చ పార్వతి ಮಾತಕ್ಷ ಪಾರ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ಪಿತಾದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಬಾಂಧವ ಶಿವಭಕ್ತಕ್ಷ ಸ್ವದೇಶೇ ಮೌನತ್ರಯಂ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹಾರ ಬಂದು ನಾವು ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನಿಯಮವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನೋದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಶುದ್ಧತೆಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾದ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದು ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಒದ್ದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ತಪ್ಪು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ನಾವೇ ಇರೋದು, ನಾವೇ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರೀತಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಏನೇ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲವ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಕುಕ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ good enough to take. If you are with love and affection, if you are not adding some ingredients or you are missing some ingredients, then also that out of love and affection, we are encouraging ourselves with all. So we need to be happy at all times. How? What makes me to have a smiling face or laugh? Don't laugh. Smiling face is enough. If you are smiling, your mind is attracting only good things. Your body, that through our nervous system, it is moving towards our tip of toe, which makes us to have a greatest accumulations and assimilations. It digests. It gives bioelectromagnetic impetus, means whatever we take, it will become energy. That energy is the power of our drive, our happiness. So we need to have always at all times only love and affection. You love yourself. If you have any good ideal person, love. I am always telling that I love my Hanumanji. I love Mata Anjane, Pita Anjane, Bandhu Anjane, Saka Anjane, Vidya Anjane, Dravidam Anjane, Anjane Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Which means my parents, which my God-given gift body is the primary source of my driving towards all things. But we are not aware that. We are telling somebody had given. The day sperm and ovum become a zygote, single cell to multi cells and multi organs, it developed so. It is God-given creation of our body. But out of our fear and things, when we are adding chemicals, that will become only damaging. ನಾವು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ದಿರೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡದಿರೋದನ್ನ డిజనరేషన్ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. మనకు తెలియకుండానే మనము ఆ మందులు వేసుకున్నందు వలన మన శరీరం చాలా ఇబ్బందులు పడుతుంది. అది ఎక్కడైనా సరే మన ఇంటికి ఒక వ్యక్తి వచ్చినారు అని చెప్తే మనం ఏమవుతాము, ఇబ్బంది పడతాము. ఎందుకంటే అతనితో మనము అడ్జస్ట్ కావాలి. అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ అనేది ప్రతి చోటను ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ కంటే మీరు ఫ్రీగా ఉండడము, సంతోషంగా ఉండడానికి మన ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఉంటాం. అదే మాదిరిగా మన ಶರೀರಾనికి ಅನವಸರವಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ನಾವು ನಮ್ದೇ ಆದ ಒಂದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಒಂದಿನ 2 ದಿನ 3ನೇ ದಿನ ಆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯವರು ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. whenever somebody not existing or not ready to accommodate in your house, we will repel him. That is the thing where lies in our body. It is not repelling. It is daily you are depositing FD, fear and doubt, along with your bad feelings, negativity. I have this disease. Yesterday, when I had spoken with Dr. Ranganath ji, I asked him how we are going to cure diabetes, how we are going to give thyroidism, how we are going to give permanent solution for our PCOD and cardiac problems. Only simple single solution is when we are there enough, when we are ready to get happy chemicals, there lies the beauty of our body. There lies the beauty of our senses. That is sense. Without common sense, there is no extra common sense. We have all chemicals, feel happy chemicals, adrenaline, noradrenaline, epidraine, endorphins, all what you need, even steroids. There are bodybuilders who are taking steroids externally just out of their wants to become bulk muscles. I'm 62 years old. I'm barely telling that I don't have any label of diseases. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೂ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಲ್ಲ. 1 hour sleep is enough to have a good enthusiasm, encouragement. Our friend Bhishmacharya teach Arjuna how to be Gudakesha. What is Gudakesha means? Sleep without sleeping, living without sleep, without any morphological changes of body. We have 2 chemicals in our body. That is melatonin for night time, serotonin for daytime. If you are default, if you are changing your sleep pattern, you are not in a position to get that chemical into our body, and it whereas the things changes. Entirely our body is not accommodating with common people. ನಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ಗಿದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿ ಮುಹೂರ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದು ಏನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತೀರ. అదేనే ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿ నిమ్కు హత్రకు బರುತ್ತೆ. మనము చేసే పనిని ప్రతిరోజు ప్రతినిత్యము నరకంగా చేయకూడదు. మన కోసం చేసుకోవాలి. మనం సంతోషంగా ఉండడానికి చేయాలి. అప్పుడు మనకది దివ్య అమృతంగా పనిచేస్తుంది. అమృతం అనేది ఎక్కడుంది? మీలో ఉంది. హౌ టు గెట్ నెక్టర్? యాజ్ పర్ క్రియా యోగా, when we are doing Kachari Mudra and Tribandhas, along with so many kriyas, while doing Kriya Yoga, Tribandhas, Kachari Mudra and Sambhavi Mudra, Ujjayi Pranayama, Udgita Pranayama, Plavani, Plavanga, all these things, we are withdrawing our senses and we are stopping our heartbeats. We want to conduct Kriya Yoga in particular in our center, Mahavatar Babaji Foundation, but it needs intense practitioners only, not just players or want to wish to. This is a compulsory thing which they need to be. Like that, there are so many things which we need to incorporate for our best health and better health. When we are doing it, we can be happy with our chemicals, and we need to be associated for a longer time. That is the good, and happy to hear all of you. We love to be accommodate ourselves